everything had gone to hell. And so we came and we helped out the owner, and we destroyed some of the area, or some of the ships surrounding the area. And we also got the O2 mask, as well as a jetpack for Clank. So, in this episode, we are going to be exploring more of this area. And now that we have the O2 mask, we can breathe pretty much forever underwater. And it's pretty good. I really like the O2 mask. So let's fly up here, and let's take care of this guy. We haven't seen this guy in quite a while. Or these guys. Alright. Let's destroy some of the crates, get some health back, and guess what? We actually have to use the Hydra displacer. Let's put that back in our quick select. This will be fun. Alright. And now, we gotta use the trespasser. Things we haven't used in a while. I really like it. Let's see. There we go. Alright. So, how you guys been? Been doing pretty well. Getting ready for college. Oh, now that we have this door open, we can use the Hydra displacer to get back in here and go over to this new area. Sorry about that, guys. I thought I heard something. But anyway, oh, there's bolts here. I'm not going to grab those. We'll worry about those here in a second. Because we gotta destroy all these little buggers. Good. I was hoping that would blow something up. But yeah, so we suck them up, or blow one out, suck them in. One of the two. Yep. Now we got a platforming section. Let's go ahead and go through this. I don't know why they're different colors. Let's let these guys blow up over here. Let's flick some bolts, and we'll use the trespasser again. There we go. Alrighty. Yeah, some of those are a little bit tricky. Just to see where we are. Okay. Yeah. So under the water here on the resort planet, there's quite a bit of bolts, like here. Yeah, I won't use a video to show those, show me getting those, but I will be going underwater and finding a few of those just so I can get some more bolts. And hopefully, and if there is a gold bolt under there, I will avoid getting that. Go about the day. Yep. Let's see, what else can we talk about? Really got nothing. Because mainly I record multiples of these in a day. I'm hoping later on, whenever I probably get out of college and stuff like that, that I can do more like up to date, like the day before these are supposed to go out recordings. So that way I can give you guys like, alright, if you want me to do this, then comment this, or if you want me to do that, comment this, and oh god. Let's see. Let's just throw some bots of doom. Oh shit. Just gonna avoid these guys. Anybody else? Nope. Alright, cool. Switch to the trespasser. And let's see. I think I might have and then right there. There we go. Alright. Sorry these are so time consuming, but I forget how to do them. So, let's talk to this guy.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm searching for a very elusive and secret substance.
Raritanium?
Maybe?
The oceans on this planet are said to be an excellent source of that element.
Well, not anymore. All that toxic dumping has obscured any trace of it. You will find Raritanium for me.
No, I will not.
Piece of junk. My latest invention, the Persuader. I intended to use it to control minds, but, well, the only thing it's gotten me so far is a discount from Gadgetron vendors.
Hey, I could use that.
Well, I'll trade it for some Raritanium.
I believe planet Hoven is a source of that element.
Our long-range sensors do not detect raritanium on this planet. This indicates that the best place to locate this mineral is on planet Hoven.
Alrighty. Raritanium. Alrighty. So, we'll go to planet Hoven and get some Raritanium, but we don't have the coordinates to planet Roven yet. I don't think. Yeah, we don't have it yet. So, we're going to return to the ship. And, yep, I'll explore that a bit later. But let's see. Yeah, let's go back to the planet infested with smog, and we'll see what we can get there. I'll meet you guys there. Alrighty, and Ratchet is on the ground. There he is. Up. What is up? And yeah, we can't go through that way now because we are Ratchet, and we can't get up there either. So, yep, you only do those sections as Clank.
I got some great bargains for you today.
I don't think I'm gonna buy the Visibomb gun yet, since we don't have that Gadgetron vendor helper. What you call it? The Persuader. But yep. My God, that took a lot of hits to kill. But yeah. So let's get started here. We're not gonna be able to finish all of this today because we're running out of time for this video, but yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. But so I think I've stressed before that I really do not like the Clank sections, mainly because Clank's movement is so sketchy. Well, anyway, I think I'm actually going to end the video off here. On the next episode of Let's Play Ratchet and Clank, we'll explore more of this planet and hopefully get further on it and see if we can find a new planet to explore. So, if you like this part, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.